This is Andres for Toplar Roofing. We are here on James Smith property. We are about to do an attentive repair. This property address is 6402 Woodland Avenue, Pennsauken Township, New Jersey, 08110. His claim number is 0786067108. So first of all, we're gonna take all the nails off. We're gonna lift it up there. All nails. It's right here. Take them all of them out. There we go for this one. There we go. This is the last one. The shingle comes out nice and smooth. You take them off the old shingle.
Muéstrale los dos layers.
As you can see,
Hay otro layer abajo.
as the paper, it has another layer. Bottom. Now, I'm gonna grab a new piece, put it under the old shingle. But as you can see, the color doesn't match. I'll try to put it the same way. The sides neither, so it's not repairable. As you can see, it has creases all over there here, so you have to replace them. So now we try to match them the best way that we can do. And now we're gonna put a new nails for all of them.
No, más adelante. There you go.
Alright, we'll finish on top. Now it goes down here.
Póngale ahí. Creases.
As you can see, we did the attempt to repair part. All of this has creases on it, so if we keep doing all attempt to repairs one on top of the other one, it will be the same thing with the other shingles. Thank you.